Hey, welcome back to Kids Fun Science. My name is Ken. Today's experiment is the Bugle Balloon. So it's sound vibrations. A lot of fun, this experiment. So I'm going to show you what you need, how to build it, and the science behind it. So follow me and let's have some fun. So now we got the complete setup done with the tape and we got the balloon right here. What we're going to do is blow it up, and then you got to make a prediction on what is going to happen. Is it going to be a whistle, a sound, what kind of sound? Loud, high pitch? We'll be able to make a prediction, and you can write it in the comments. You ready? That is super cool right there. So it's echoing, it's vibrating off here, as you can see. How cool is that? Right there is a Bugle Balloon. That is a Bugle Balloon, which is pretty cool. I'm going to take you to one more experiment where I'm going to drill some holes into the PVC pipe, and then I'm going to try to make it like a trumpet. So, all right, so the second experiment here is I drilled some holes in here, and I do not know how to play an instrument, so this is purely for your own entertainment. If you know how to play an instrument, this could be helpful, but it will make different sound vibrations. So when you blow it up, you need to cover all three holes up when you blow it up, otherwise the balloon won't blow up. And then I will attempt to entertain you. Please comment below if you do this and you can play an instrument. I appreciate it. All right, so here we go. I'll cover these three up. So the normal sound with all three. I wish I knew how to play an instrument. Anyway, this is super cool. If you like this experiment, please remember to click thumbs up and to subscribe. And thanks for watching. All right, so what you need for this experiment is a PVC pipe. I'm using a 1/2 inch. You could use 3/4 inch. You're going to cut off about 1 inch or 1/2 inch off the end right there. And you can make it as long as you want. I'm just going to keep it the standard length. This is a 24 inch, so now it's a 23 inch by 1 inch. You need some tape, it doesn't matter what kind, and you need a balloon. And so now I'm going to show you how to put it together. So to put it together, you're going to take the small piece and you're going to put it into the balloon first, like this, and make sure it goes all the way down the neck. So be very careful because you don't want to rip the balloon, but you do want to get it all the way on. And make sure that balloon's towards the holes that way, and bring it up this way just a tad, so it's just a little bit over the end of the pipe, just like this. And then you're going to take the other end of the pipe and you're going to put this piece on here. So that's why you have to have a little bit over on here, and this is a little bit more difficult. Sometimes having a second person helps, but I'm going to be able to manage myself so you can see that. So you can see there's the two pieces right there, and we're going to tape down this piece right here. So I've got my tape, and then I'm going to tape the balloon right here and just go all the way around, nice and secure as you do this, so it stays down and the balloon won't come off the other piece. So now you got that done. You're going to get a second set of tape that goes around it. You know, maybe not that long. And what you're going to do is just fold this. Remember, it's a separate piece in here. And you're going to fold it so it's even right here. And then you're just going to tape it down so it goes all the way around. And so you got a piece like this. And I'll show you in just a second. So it looks like that. I got a nice little happy face on my balloon. And that's what it looks like. So now we've got the setup done, and now we're going to do the experiment next.